If you guys are on my free email list, I've been promoting over the last month or so this webinar called Optimizing Your Options with Elliott Wave. Well, we're at the tail end of the course, and I think it went really well. I put a ton of work into it, over the last couple weeks. So I'm just updating the course, and actually we had some live trades, so I'm going to take customers through those trades. But there's some pretty good Elliott Wave stuff in here, so I thought I'd share it with you on the vlog, kind of show you how I use this, my approach to the markets, which is Elliott Wave and Fibonacci, and actually how we trade the markets. Oh, but first check this out. So the course is Optimizing Your Options right here. And I think it came out pretty well. That's why I'm showing it to you. So there's all of this content in here, downloads, option strategy selection tools, spread. We did live trading yesterday on the 24th. We're going to do live trading on the 31st. This is content. Those are the presentation slides. That's content from the 17th. Those are the slides, and these are past materials that are also included. It's good to work with new customers, and also what really makes you an expert in your field is if you take the time to really sit down, lay it out in a logical manner in a way that others can consume it. If you can teach it, then you're truly an expert. So we traded live yesterday on the 24th, and there's actually two trades I need to get out of. So I'm just going to do it with you live, and then I was also going to include this in the vlog and then also send that to the course participants just to update them to let them know to take profits on them. Hey there traders, Todd here. Just wanted to do a quick video. Market just closed there. And so we're almost through the Optimizing Our Options class. And we did the live trading yesterday, and happy to say that the two positions that we worked out, that we worked so hard, doing our Elliott and doing our Fib, doing our options, we put two positions to work, and I just sent the alert out to you guys via email to cover them. So we made some money on there after our hard work. So it's pretty awesome. So I just want to do this follow-up video and say if you put the trade on, congratulations. I want to hear from you. Maybe write back for me, write back to me. You put the trade on, you made the money. Nothing makes me happier. One, that you spent time with me. And we spent a lot of time in this class learning my approach to the markets. It's not easy. I know it. Okay, if there was a simple little indicator we could throw in your charts, it'd be wonderful, okay? But it's just not the case. And anything that's worth it takes hard work, unfortunately. So if you made money on the trade, awesome. The cost of the course, I believe if traded 2 lots of Facebook and crude, so whatever you paid for the course, the introductory rate, if you traded 2 lots from today's P&L, I think you doubled your return. So you got paid to learn. So that's awesome. Let's just take you through the setups and just kind of review why the trades worked. All right, so here's the class, of course, and then the live trading is right there. And the first setup that we had was Facebook, okay? And you can see here in Facebook that we had a nice 3-wave, this is your green M&M trade in a wave 4. We had a nice start to push up into the 155 to 60 area. So this was a green M&M. Of course, this is orange 5, so we're looking for 5 smaller waves. So what's the updated chart? So here we go. All right. So on the way, we held the wave 2 pullback, and we're starting to move higher. Now, what was interesting, the reason I sent you an email and said take half the profits is because the distance traveled here, okay, right in wave 1, that projected up, hit that blue Fibonacci projection level at 152, and we started to back off there a little bit. Okay, we started to back off there a little bit, so that worked fairly well. So the 150, 155 call spread worked well. We bought the 150, sold the 155. So we made, for a 5 lot, I made $480 on this, and then over in this account, I had a 2 lot over there at a 150, 155, and made another $200 there. So if you had a 2 lot on for that call spread, you paid for the course right there. So the reason, again, I wanted to take that trade off is the 100% is holding here at the close. And that's always kind of a warning sign. If it's a good third wave, you want to get up to that 1.618 projection up at 155. So that's fine. So let's kind of take that profit and run. And then the other trade that we had was crude oil. And this one was particularly fun because we shorted crude in this big rally. And this was the setup chart from yesterday when we did the video together. This is the setup chart into the 52 high in crude heading into OPEC. So nothing like shorting a $9 move in crude oil, a $9 rally into OPEC. All right, so we were looking at this as D of a triangle. There's D of a triangle. So we're looking for it to drop from like the 52 area following OPEC to get down into greeny, which you can't see on the chart. So here's the actual chart post OPEC. So oil dropped from 52 down to 48, and we made some money there as well. So that's just this whole concept of like trusting your methodology, even when there's a big bad, economic announcement coming out. So here's our USO position. We had two of them. We had the 10-11 call credit spread. So we sold the 10 call, bought the 11. That one we made $227 with a 5 lot. Then we bought the 11 put, sold the 10 put, made $360 there, and this guy's still got some room to run. So altogether, pretty good trades. Again, super psyched that you spent time with me. Hopefully you enjoyed the class. Let me know your feedback. I'll try to get a survey below, or maybe just right back. Let me know what you think. But just want to share that, and also I'm going to include this in my YouTube vlogs and just kind of show the hard work, because again, a lot of work went into this class, and for me, I'm happy the way it came out, but it's just a nice cherry on top when I can get you paid to learn this really fun way of trading. All right, we'll leave it there. Enough back patting. Time to go to work. See you guys.